Hey, tech fans! Today I'm diving into one of the biggest moves in the semiconductor industry that's set to shake things up in a major way. Let's talk TSMC's massive investment in the US and what it means for the future of tech. So here's the deal. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, is pouring an additional $40 billion into its US operations. This brings their total investment in stateside chip manufacturing to a whopping $165 billion. That's right, we're talking 5 brand new facilities in Arizona, all dedicated to advanced chip packaging and R&D. Can you say game changer? But why is TSMC making such a massive push into the US? Well, it's all about bolstering domestic chip production. With rising geopolitical tensions, especially between the US and China, there's a big push to reduce reliance on Taiwan for semiconductors. This move not only strengthens the US tech sector, but also creates thousands of American jobs. Sounds like a win-win, right? Now let's dive into the geopolitical implications. By investing heavily in the US, TSMC is helping to create a more resilient supply chain. This is crucial because the world's tech giants, think Apple, Nvidia, and AMD, all rely on TSMC for their cutting-edge chips. Plus, with these facilities on American soil, the US tech industry gets a major boost in security and stability. But some folks are concerned that this move could weaken Taiwan's Silicon Shield, a key defense strategy against potential aggression from China. Speaking of China, they're not too thrilled about this development. In response to new US tariffs, China has slapped tariffs on US agricultural imports, further escalating the trade war. It's a tense situation, and TSMC's expansion is right in the middle of it all. So what does this mean for Taiwan? Well, Taiwan's defense minister has emphasized the country's strategic importance amid worries about waning US support. It's clear that the island nation is a crucial player in the global tech landscape, and maintaining its stability is in everyone's best interest. All right, let's zoom out and look at the broader picture. The semiconductor industry is a cornerstone of modern technology, powering everything from smartphones to supercomputers. TSMC's investment is a strategic move to safeguard the future of this critical sector. With advanced facilities in the US, we can expect to see innovations in chip design and manufacturing that will drive the next wave of tech advancements. So, there you have it. TSMC's $40 billion bet on the US is a bold move that's set to reshape the semiconductor landscape. What do you think about this massive investment? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next video. Stay tech savvy, everyone.